morning, welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing this video, you know that I have an engine that I'm working on. So the videos that you're about to see now is just a little situation that I ran into. I don't have an engine hoist, and the engine hoist that I used back when I was building the GTO, it's either broke or we can't find it or somebody else has it. So instead of renting an engine hoist or buying one, I found a unique way to take the engine off the back of my truck. And you'll see in this video what I did is I backed my truck into the garage, pull my engine stand up to the tailgate. Of course, my truck has a 3-inch lift, so my truck is a little bit higher than a regular truck. So I slid the engine back all the way to the tailgate, and that was probably about 12 inches higher than the engine stand was. So what I did is I jacked my truck up, took the back wheels off, and lowered the truck all the way down on pretty much it rested on the jack with no tires on it. And that was probably about 3 inches higher than the engine stand. So it let me put the engine stand on it, and pretty much I just pulled the engine off and the engine was on the engine stand. So that's how I got the engine off of my truck without having an engine hoist. It was perfectly safe the way I did it. I had cables hooked up to the engine to keep the engine from falling over to the left or to the right. And just like I said, everything worked out. I didn't have to go and rent an engine hoist or buy an engine hoist. So the engine is now on the stand in my garage. And in another video, I'm not sure if the video is going to be before this one or after this one, but I'm going to go and tear down the engine, and we're going to see the status of the engine, and I'm going to tell you my plans for this engine. But this particular video was just me showing you how to take an engine off the back of your truck if you don't have an engine hoist. And I bought this engine from Facebook Marketplace. So we had a hoist when we put it on my truck, but I didn't have a hoist to take it off. So that's what this video is. Just want to show you, when you don't have an engine hoist, this is what you can do. Took the back tire off my truck, got my truck low enough to bring the stand to the engine. Took both tires off the truck. Okay, engine is off. And I done started jacking my truck back up now so I can put the wheels on it. And as you can see, the engine is off and on the stand. You saw how to take the engine off of the truck without an engine hoist. Please come back and take a look at the video of this engine. See the breakdown, the tear down of this engine, and to see my plans for this engine. And that's going to be in another video, like I say. So please click subscribe and click like, share the video if you could. Click subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next upload.